So today's wig is from Hairvivi. So this is what the hair looks like, and this is the construction of the wig. You guys can see it comes pre-bleached, it comes pre-plucked as well, and it comes with straps and combs as well. So I'm just going to start off by installing this wig, but before I do that, I actually need to pluck my brows because they're really grown. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. So I'm going to pluck my brows and then I'll come back. Okay, so guys, I'm done plucking my brows. I definitely messed up this eyebrow, but you know what? It's fine. So I'm going to start off by installing this wig now. The hair feels really soft. It feels really nice. Okay, so I've got the wig on now and the hairline is everything. I need to, oh Jesus, listen. I feel like when it comes to Hairvivi, like there's nothing else to say. Like there's just nothing to say. Okay, look at this hairline. And I haven't even cut the lace yet, guys. This looks like my skin. Like, where is the lace? Where's the lace? The fact that I haven't even cut off the lace and you can't even see it, and the hairline is too clean, too clean. So I think I'm actually going to do a glueless install today. So let me just put this hair up. So now I'm just going to start off by cutting off the excess lace. Oh my god, guys, like the lace is so thin that I can't even see it. Like, I'm even just hoping that I don't cut my skin.
Your body say yeah. I got the candles lit and petals on the floor. If you think you're dreaming, baby, you will dream.
Okay, so now that I've cut off the excess lace, I'm just gonna go in with my OMG hair mousse. And I'm just gonna use this to lay down the lace. This is how I'm gonna get my glueless install basically. I mean, you guys can see it's pretty much laid right now, but I'm gonna go in and add the hair mousse just so you know I can lay down the sides as well. To start with, I'm just gonna pull out some hair at the front that I'm gonna use, you know, as my baby hairs. And I don't really want like really thick baby hairs, so I'm just gonna pull out just a little bit at the front.
Would you date me? You want it now? Champagne dripping on his wristwatch. Audition roll low, cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup. But he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Pain dripping on his wristwatch. Audition roll low, cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup. But he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Your body say yeah, whoa, come over here, come and ginger me, yes, oh yeah.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and style the hair whilst I'm obviously waiting for my lace to lay down.
You do come and take this ride, be my chauffeur, be my chauffeur. You know today we will talk too much, actions be louder than words.
Okay, so like I said, the hair came pre-styled, so you guys can see like there's some loose curls on the wig right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and just add some curls again using my Remington straighteners.
Make your body say yeah. I got the candles lit and petals on the floor. If you think you're dreaming, baby, you will dream some more.
I'm dreaming, girl.
I'll ride for you. I'll never, baby. Give it all to you.
Give it all to me.
All to you. It's your body too hot. Can I get the touch? It's your body too hot. Can I get the touch? Can I get the touch?
That took literally 5 minutes, but yeah, I feel like the lace should definitely 100% be done. So you guys can see that the lace is fully melted. Fam, I feel like glueless installs are my new thing. I am not gluing down anything. I need to save my edges. That's what I need to do. So from now on, it's glueless install. And I feel like don't be too hard on yourself, because it depends on the lace as well, like how good the lace is. If the lace is really good, your hair would, like, the lace would definitely 100% melt into your skin anyway. You guys even saw how melted the lace was before I even, you know, applied anything. So it depends on your lace as well. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess.
Got me screaming murder, murder, 'cause you're killing me. Big boy, you could be my lover. Show you things that you never heard of, baby. I know you want to go downtown.
Go down, baby.
I can tell the way you date, I mean you want it now. Champagne dripping on his wristwatch. Partition roll low, 'cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night.
Guys, when I tell you from now on it's glueless installs, like literally glueless installs, because I'm not using glue. Like from today, this is the second glueless install that I'm doing now, and girl. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my makeup. So this wig actually came with some bangs, which I'm gonna try on once my makeup is done, because I don't know which one I'm gonna go for and I don't know how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna do my makeup first and then obviously try on the bangs. Today I don't really know what makeup look I'm gonna do as usual again, but I received a PR package from DFA Cosmetics. So if you guys know that girl Dami, she's a makeup artist and she's my friend, so of course I'm gonna promote. So she's just launched her highlighter palette, blush palette, and an eyeshadow palette. So we're using all these products today, baby. Okay, obviously there's more products as well, but I'm definitely using these 3 products today. I'm gonna do my base first. You guys already know how I do my base, so I'm not really gonna talk through it, but once I get to my eyeshadow and then obviously blusher and highlighter, I'll come back and speak to you guys.
Make your body say yeah. I got the candles lit and peptools on the floor.
Petals on the floor.
If you think you're dreaming, baby, you will dream some more.
I'm dreaming, girl.
I'll ride for you. I'll die for you, baby. Give it all to you.
Give it all to
All
me.
to you. It's your body to up. Can I get a touch? Yeah. It's your body too hot. Can I get a touch? Yeah. Can I get a touch?
Oh yeah. Can I roll with you, girl?
Said he want to roll with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me? Baby, can you go with me? Can you roll with me, yeah? The way you love me, say yeah. The way you're touching me, say yeah. Make your body say yeah. So the drivers want to watch it, 'cause the drivers want to watch, yeah. Oh.
One time.
Yeah.
You want mess around, got a affecting me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be there?
I said I was gonna use this blush palette today. How can I forget? Okay, let me just open it and see what it looks like. So it says That Girl blush palette. Oh my god, guys, the colors here, huh, guys, look at this blush palette. Tell me the colors aren't okay, cool. So I'm gonna go in with bruh, I don't even know what shade to use, but I think I'm gonna go in with Strong. No, okay, hold on. I'm gonna go in with Strong and Positive. I know I've got some blusher on already, but I want to use this because what? Okay, cool. So this is what the palette looks like. You guys can see it's very bright, very colorful. You also have your neutral colors in there as well. So I'm gonna use this shade up here as my transition shade. Okay, so I'm nearly done with my makeup. This eye, oh my god, every time I put on lashes there's always one eye that just wants to move mad. So moving on to my lips now. I've already lined my lips with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Richie and the sleek lip pencil in the shade Just Say Nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick, and I'm gonna apply the ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. And then now I'm also gonna go in with the DFA Cosmetic lip gloss. So there's actually 4 different shades, but I've got 3 with me. I don't know what the shades are called, but I'll find out and then obviously list it down below. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And then I'm just going to apply some clear lip gloss over that. So now I'm going to go into the DFA Cosmetics highlighter palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm only going to apply a small amount because I know that Dami's products are very, very pigmented, especially the highlighters. They're so pigmented, so literally the smallest amount goes a long way. Okay, so I'm done getting ready and this is the finished look, as you guys can see. So guys, listen, when it comes to the palettes that I used today, yeah, they're so pigmented because I didn't prime my eyelid and my eyeshadow is popping. Okay, my eyeshadow is popping, and the blusher, the highlighter, the lip gloss, you need to get you some DFA Cosmetics. That's all I'm saying. Get you some DFA Cosmetics, okay? But yeah, so I'm done getting ready now and this is the finished look. Like I said, my wig is from Hairvivi and you guys can see this is, you know, this is a glueless install, as you can see. So yeah, I'm actually gonna try and see what the bangs look like. I'm gonna try and put this on. Let's see. I even feel like this might be a bit too long for me, but so it comes with clips, as you can see. So I'm going to pop this on now. So this is literally like 2 wigs in one. 2 wigs, two different wigs in one. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like with the bang. I feel like it works. It could work, okay? What do you guys think? You guys let me know what you think down below. I feel like, you know, it's not bad. It's not bad. I feel like when I do this, it looks good, but then when I let it go, it's like, maybe I need to like hot comb the top and then, you know. So like I said, this wig is from Hairvivi and this is the Lillian wig in the length 20 inches. It's literally just a brown wig with some highlights and yeah, I think this is really cute. I really like this wig, and I don't have a brown wig at the moment, so this is definitely a keep, and I really like this hairstyle. Even with the bangs as well, I feel like it looks really cute, but maybe I haven't done it properly because I feel like it could look a lot better, but this is what it looks like with the bang. And yeah, so you're literally getting 2 wigs in one. I really like the concept of this because I feel like I can even use the bangs for other wigs that I have as well, so I don't have to use it for this wig specifically. So this is really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to take off the bang just so you guys can actually see my makeup properly. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I absolutely love my makeup today. I wish I was going somewhere, but I'm not, so I have to take this off, like, because I'm going to bed. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. Anyway, so I'm going to make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.